Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're in the correct account and logged in. This prevents searching the wrong archive. Once done, open the webmail or desktop client's search field and choose the archive or all mail folder if available. Next, enter a focused keyword, sender address, or subject fragment to narrow results quickly. Use date filters immediately to shrink the dataset. This reduces load time and surfaces relevant messages faster. These first steps set a precise foundation for deeper filtering. Now you refine the search using advanced operators and filters to cut through noise. For example, enter from Alice at example. Subject, invoice, and add a date range to limit to 1 year. If the client supports flags like has, attachment, or label, archive, include them to isolate messages with files or archived labels. Then, sort results by date or relevance so the newest or most matching items appear first. Make sure to expand search across all mail, trash, and archived folders if initial results. Finally, open matched emails and mark them for retention. Move to a dedicated folder, or export selected messages as Mbox or EML for backup. If you need batch recovery, select multiple messages and use the client's export or download feature. Forwarding important threads to another address also creates a quick copy. If you can't find expected emails, check sync settings, hidden filters, alternate accounts, and server-side archives. One key tip: rerun the search without date filters to catch misplaced items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.